Welcome to our guide on creating the perfect wardrobe for your space. Whether you're moving into a new home or simply looking to upgrade your current setup, choosing the right wardrobe can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. From understanding your room's dimensions to selecting materials and designs that match your style, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and discover how to find the wardrobe that fits your needs perfectly. Scene 2. Discover the perfect wardrobe for your space. Emotion 4. Music uplifting, motivation. Discover the perfect wardrobe for your space. This chapter will guide you through selecting the ideal wardrobe that fits your room's dimensions and style preferences. We'll explore various designs, materials and functionalities to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned for expert tips and tricks to maximize your storage space and enhance your room's aesthetics. Hey there! Are you dreaming of the perfect wardrobe to complement your home? Whether it's a walk-in haven or a sleek built-in, today I'm breaking down the most popular wardrobe types to help you find your dream storage solution. First up, let's talk about the classic walk-in wardrobe. Imagine having an entire room dedicated to your clothes and accessories. It's not just about luxury, it's about organization and visibility. You can see everything at a glance, making getting dressed in the morning a breeze. Plus, with custom shelving and drawers, you can design it to perfectly fit your needs. Next, we have the ever-popular built-in wardrobe. These are perfect for utilizing space efficiently, especially in apartments or homes with limited room. Built-ins seamlessly blend into your existing decor, offering a clean and streamlined look. And the best part, the doors can be customized, think sliding, mirrored, or even with a pop of color. Now, if space is a major concern, consider the mirrored wardrobe. This type not only stores your clothing, but also visually enlarges your room. The mirrors reflect light, making your space feel bigger and brighter. It's like getting two benefits in one. On the flip side, for those who love flexibility, the freestanding wardrobe is a great option. You can move it around as you please, and it's often more affordable. Plus, with so many styles and sizes available, you can easily find one that matches your aesthetic. But wait, there's more. For the tech-savvy, how about a smart wardrobe? These come with built-in lighting, automated systems, and sometimes even climate control to keep your clothes in perfect condition. It's the future of storage right in your bedroom. Feeling inspired yet? If you're ready to turn your wardrobe dreams into reality, why not reach out to i4interio Design Studio? With our expert consultation and stunning 3D models and renders, you can visualize your new wardrobe before it even exists. Our team will work with you to create a space that's not only functional but also beautifully tailored to your style. So don't wait. Click the link below to schedule your design consultation today. Remember, your dream wardrobe is just a design away. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.